Switch to that super cool orbit tool and let's drag downwards so we can see the top of our ship. And we are going to create a new offset for our project. Click that offset tool, click the outer edge, and we are going to type 3 inches instead of feet for the first time. Do 3 and then the inch mark. Switch to the pencil tool and then find one of your log lines and move across it and find the cyan midpoint. Stay on your green axis and it automatically snaps across and you can cut your ship into 2 nifty pieces. With the ship divided in half, let's click the select tool, select the bow, switch to the push-pull tool, and let's push-pull that down 1 foot. Make sure you type the foot marker and press enter to move on.